Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha Kuznetsova and today we're going to be making foaming soap from scratch. It's very easy to make. We're going to need some liquid soap. I make my own liquid soap, but you don't have to. You can buy any cast-style soap in any store. The only thing that you probably don't want to have any fragrance in it because we're going to be adding some essential oils later on. But if you do want to learn how to make your own liquid soap, I have a video about that and I will link it in the description below so you can learn too how to make liquid soap. We're also going to need some jars for mixing the soap in, and I buy those on Amazon and I really like them. They have those nice foaming dispensers and they have measurements on them, so it makes it very easy mixing in the soap with the water. Then we're going to need some essential oils and some distilled water. Alright, so let's get to it. We're going to add 4 ounces of liquid soap. And then we're gonna add our fragrance. I really like citrusy fragrances. They're really good for the kitchen. You can wash your hands with them or some dishes, or you can even wash your veggies with it. So I'm gonna be using orange and lemon essential oils. I'm gonna add 10 drops of orange oil. Okay, and then I'm going to add 20 drops of lemon oil. And it's okay if you have a little bit more drops than you planned. You can actually play around with fragrances, and if you want the fragrance to be more fragrancy, then you can add more essential oils to this, but I like it, you know, medium fragrance, and this is a good amount for that. So we're just gonna shake it a little, mix it together, and then we're gonna add distilled water. And guys, you want to add distilled water and not just tap water so that your soap doesn't grow any mold on it. And basically it's gonna be 8 ounces of water, with the total amount of soap being 12 ounces right there. And then we just shake it really well. And that's it. Our soap is ready. Comes out nice and creamy. Alright guys, well that is all for today. I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Otherwise, stay well and I will see you in the next video.